Wait, what? All these birds are stuck in a fence. What the fucking Kevin? How does that happen?
What?
That tripped me the fuck out, mate. Holy shit, look at the fucking wheels on that duck bird thing. I was just waiting for the at the end.